Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be making an eggless marble cake. So for that I have taken a 10-inch cake mold and I have applied some butter and dusted maida. So now we look at the ingredients first. We need 1 cup of maida, half cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 200 ml of sweetened condensed milk, half cup of butter, half cup of milk. So now we'll sieve all the dry ingredients. We'll add 1 cup of maida, half cup of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of baking soda, and sieve all the ingredients well. Now for the wet ingredients, add half cup of melted butter, 200 ml of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and mix all the ingredients well. We'll add half cup of milk, but we'll add the milk gradually. Do not overmix the batter. The batter should be in a flowing consistency. So our plain batter is ready. Now take another bowl and add this batter in the other bowl in equal quantity. Then add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder and mix this batter. So we'll get a vanilla batter and a chocolate batter. So both our batters are ready, and now we'll add the batter in the cake mold. So first I've taken 1 tablespoon of this vanilla or plain batter, and then I've added the chocolate batter. So the batter spreads automatically. This is how I'll be creating layers. This is the beauty of the marble cake, the amazing layers that we get. And now finally, with the help of a toothpick, you can give a design to your cake. And now we'll bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. So our cake is ready, and now we'll check with the help of a toothpick. See, it has come out clean. That means our cake is ready. Now we'll cover it with a damp cloth for 30 minutes. 30 minutes are over. I have sliced the cake. Can you all see the beautiful layers, and it's so soft and spongy. This cake is a must try, guys. It's a super easy recipe and it's so yummy. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye.